Hey guys, welcome to this course on how to design 4 personalized skulls. On this course, I'm going to show you lots of useful things that will help you not only draw the 4 skulls, but also improve your drawing skills. To begin with, I'll teach you the basic anatomy of a skull. If you want to learn to draw skulls properly, then it's the first thing you need to know. We'll draw a skull from 3 different views: front, profile, and 3/4, taking into consideration the basic proportions and the relevant bones. I'll also name the bones so you can memorize them. For this lesson, I recommend that you use a pencil and paper to take notes of what I do on the screen. Keep this to reference it whenever you need it. You'll see that just by listening and drawing along with me, you'll retain about 60% of the information, and you won't have much difficulty in repeating the process later on your own. After learning the anatomy and the basic concepts, we'll start to design our own skulls. To do this, we'll brainstorm and select 4 designs that will develop into a final design. In this phase, you'll learn how to introduce different elements and to change the shape of the skulls so each one is different and unique. This lesson will help you become more creative and understand the basis of research when you're drawing any kind of design. When your drawings are defined, we'll start to ink them. You'll learn how to apply lovely and effective strokes so your ink is clean and attractive. I'll explain what brush I use and the properties of an interesting ink brush in Photoshop. When the ink is done, we'll start with the colour phase. We'll apply flat colours with light and shading to our drawings. I'll show you how to apply the basic flat colours using masks, and then we'll add lights and shading, modifying the layer modes and using the right colours. We'll also paint the line and touch up the paint to create some interesting effects. With this course, you'll learn basic notions that will help you whenever you're designing using line art and flat colours. So if you're ready, let's begin with our first lesson on the anatomy of a skull. I'll see you there.